This is how to make a light and pillowy pistachio genoise. Let's get started. Firstly, blitz your pistachios and your flour together. We're going to take a pan of boiling water. We're going to put our eggs and sugar over it. I'm going to heat that to 40 degrees Celsius. We're now going to mix this on high until tripled in volume. So once it's done, as you can see, it's lightened in colour, tripled in volume. As you can see, you can draw a figure of 8 in the batter. There's a lot of big air balls in here. So what we're going to do is put the whisk back on, lower speed, and do it for like 2 to 3 minutes. So all the big air balls are evenly dispersed, and that creates a much more finer crumb. This is the consistency you're looking for. So it should just flow nicely, still form the figure of 8 or a squiggle. So I'm going to take my flour and pour this in. I wouldn't sieve it, we would normally sieve it, but there's pistachios in here, so there's no point. So we're going to slowly fold this in. So as you can see, there's a pretty big spatula, or maurice. So you pretty much go from the center, so J motion, so you cut through, and then you scrape the side of the bowl, and you pretty much rotate over. You can rotate the bowl as you go along, so you go like this. You keep repeating this motion. This is called the sacrificial batter. So mix 2 tablespoons of butter into the buttermilk and butter. Take this back in, pour this over. You're going to finish the folding. So once it's in, you're going to take a little tap a couple times to get rid of the big air bubbles in there. If you did this right, it should pretty much go 3/4 of the way of the baking tin, and the rest should rise up to the top of the tin. Goes into the oven, 170 degrees Celsius, for 30 to 45 minutes. So what's happening now is I took the cake out of the oven, tapped it twice on the table, flipped it upside down straight away on the cooling rack, and peeling away the parchment paper. So no dark edges, pretty fluffy, jiggles pretty much how light it is. And then once that's sat for like 2 to 3 minutes, we take the cake, I'm gonna flip it back, right side up. And that is your genoise cake sorted.